Hi, it's Vanessa James again. Here's the second part of the video that we did earlier. So last time we learned how to add these weeks, and this time we're going to show the next part that we need to do. So after you have these in, you're able to go and click on here and hit mass score, and you can assign complete, in progress, or incomplete for your students. So what I did was I selected complete for all of them, and then you click save, and then it changes all your students. And then I just had maybe 1 or 2 students who haven't logged in yet, and so then you can go in there, go to enter score, and then you can just change that one student. Let's say they're not finished, you can put it in progress. Okay. The issue with this is that parents cannot see the individual weekly grades because these complete and incompletes are not populating a summary or an average for T4. So we have to go in here and actually select a T4 grade. Now, the T4 is an overall 9-week grade. So none of these should be complete yet. They should all be either in progress or incomplete, meaning they've never logged into they've never logged into Google Classroom. If you click on T4 though and go and click on mass score, my screen is like this because I'm trying to protect my students' names. So you click on mass score, these are the only choices you have. These are like conduct grades. For some reason, there's no complete. So you can't mass score, you have to go individually. The thing is that these should all be, like I said, in progress, or if a student has never logged in and has never picked up paper packet or anything like that, then they're incomplete. Those are your two choices right now. You can't put complete yet until the very end of the semester because this is their final grade. Okay, for now now that this is in here, now the parents can go in there and click on the course and they can go in and see individual weeks. So for example, my students have all completed and this week they're in progress because they've all logged in. And I can mass score that. And on the little drop down, I just select in progress because that's this week. Okay, then I have to change all these individual one by one in progress. All right, that's it. Thanks.